someone who's experienced water scarcity as a child, it has made an impact on me both personally and professionally.
It changes the way you think about water, and you start to realize actually how much we waste.
What I really like about WaterLOUPE is that it offers the possibility to sit together with a group of stakeholders and start building up mitigation strategies and to analyze together, is this measure actually suitable in our area?
Kimberly-Clark water is a lifeblood for our manufacturing process and is also important for consumers who use our products every day and the communities where we live and work. That is why Kimberly-Clark is focused on driving water stewardship and achieving 50% water reduction by 2030.